Welcome back with the miscellaneous exercise. From question 1 to 6, you have to solve these linear inequalities. So, first question, in the linear inequality, while solving it, you will shift the constant term on both sides of inequality, and after solving it you are getting this value. ये वैल्यू आपके पास आ गई. Now to write the solution of this is, look here, after shifting -4 इधर भी shift करेंगे and -4 you will shift it on this side, and then in next step the 3 will go on both sides. Okay, so you can solve it by combining both the linear inequalities together, or you can do it separately also. It's on you. अब to find out its value, देखिए यहाँ पे x is greater than equals to 2 but less than equals to 3. Means 2 और 3 के बीच में जितनी भी values हैं, all the values will satisfy. All the real numbers will satisfy. So the solution of this is including, equal है तो including 2 and 3. So this is the solution. Clear? In third, again take its LCM and then cross multiply, and after shifting the terms you will get this term. अब यहाँ पे देखिए x is less than equals to 2 and x is greater than equals to -4. Means 2 and -4 both of them are including, as in this case. Since including है तो हमारे पास we will put the square bracket on both the sides. Since it is including, so we will put the square bracket. Come to the fourth one. In fourth question, open the bracket and cross multiply. After doing the cross multiplication, after solving it, shifting 3 on both sides, you are getting this value. ये आपके पास आ रही है. So what is the solution here? -23 से बड़ा, but it is less than equals to 2. Here the equal sign is not there. तो ये आपका यहाँ पे, since equal sign is not there, so in square bracket will not be possible. So the value will be -23 more than -23 but less than 2. So it means -23 to 2, the value is there, but -23 is not including in it. Same way, in this question 6th, cross multiply. After solving it, you are getting this value. So how will you write its solution? देखिए दोनों तरफ equal है, so it means its value square bracket is like this, between 1 to 11/3, including both the numbers. Clear? Now question 7th onward, question 7 to question 10, you have to solve it and solve the answer graphically on the number line. On the number line you have to find from the number line you have to find the answer. Now these are the two different linear inequality. Two separate linear inequalities are given. So from first, if you will solve it, you are getting this, x is greater than -5, and from second you will get x is less than 5. अब हमें इसको नंबर लाइन से फाइंड आउट करना है आंसर. सो लेट्स सी, बहुत आसान है. अब देखिए x is greater than -5, so x की वैल्यू -5 से बड़ी है and it is not included. तो हम, you will put the circle like that, like this, greater than. तो greater than मतलब you will go in this way. Okay, for second x is less than 5, 5 से छोटा, so not included, and less than, so it will go in this way, isn't it? अब हमें देखनी है कि इन दोनों नंबर लाइंस में विच वन इज कॉमन, कौन सी लाइन कॉमन आ रही है। देखिए यहां से ये दिस इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स राइट इंफिनिटी एंड फ्रॉम हेयर इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम टुवर्ड्स माइनस इंफिनिटी। तो दोनों के बीच में अगर आप देखोगे दिस लाइन यहां से लेकर यहां तक ये जो लाइन है ये कॉमन आ रही है, इजंट इट, ये कॉमन आ रही है। तो व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर, टेल मी। सिंस इट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड, इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, तो ये सॉल्यूशन यहां से लेकर यहां तक हो गया, कॉमन लाइन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम, तो सॉल्यूशन विल बी -5 to 5, not included. Clear? In question 9, again two different linear inequalities. From first solve it, you will get x greater than -5, and from second you are getting x greater than 5. अब देखते हैं x is greater than -5, इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करते हैं, if we will take it on the number line, -5 से बड़ा, so this is not included, so it will goes like this. And in second case x is greater than 5, 5 से बड़ा, so not included, again it will go like this. So can you find out which one is the common line, कौन सी common line आ रही है। अब देखिए both of them are moving in this direction, so 5 से लेकर towards infinity, 5 से towards infinity is the common line, isn't it? In question number 9, in question 9 5 to infinity it is going, so what should be the solution, 5 to infinity। देखिए 5 से ये कॉमन लाइन देखो दोनों में 5 से इंफिनिटी की तरफ कॉमन लाइन जा रही है। क्लियर। In question 10th, in question 10th again two linear inequality. From first you are getting x is less than equals to 11, equal भी है, just remember it, and in second case you are getting x is greater than equals to -7, तो equal है, so it will be the filled circle, less than 11, तो आप क्या करेंगे, you will fill it, and filled circle means it is included, so it will go like this from first, ठीक है। and in second x is greater than equals to -7, -7 या इससे बड़ा, so it will go like this, like this. So can you tell me what will be the solution here, solution देखिए which one is common line, आप अगर आप यहां पर देखेंगे which one is common line in both the cases, देखिए from here to this part it is common, isn't it? From -7 to 11 is common, तो आपका सॉल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा, -7 including -7 and 11 तक, this is the included part, so 11. So this will be the solution. I think it's clear to all of you. Thank you.